Space.
In this video, I will discuss several stories relating to science and technology. If you do happen to enjoy this video, please consider tapping the like button and subscribing for more videos like this. So, first story today is Elon Musk at war with California. Actually, I came up with these titles, so you have to give credit. But Elon Musk versus Bay Area officials. These emails show exactly what happened behind the scenes of the Tesla factory fight. So, to fill you in on a little bit of context, as far as I know, Elon Musk didn't really like the idea that Tesla was considered non-essential, and he wanted to keep making cars, and the police were like, no. So I'm sure this face down here describes how he felt. The chief of police suspected Elon Musk would not stand by quietly as public health officials idled his Tesla factory.
I would be interested to see Elon Musk unveil his plethora of technological devices against the police.
I can't
As
wait.
invade his...
RoboCop action.
The Tesla tank.
I can't exactly hear the audio on my side, that's okay.
That's okay. We don't need to get it all.
I can make the audio in my head.
Things definitely didn't get better for the county or whatever, wherever his factory is located, because he sued them. Let's look at his tweets.
That sounds interesting.
Tesla is filing a lawsuit against Alameda County immediately. The unelected and ignorant interim health officer, in quotes, of Alameda is acting the contrary to the governor, the president, our constitutional freedoms, and just plain common sense. Frankly, this is the final straw. Tesla will now move its HQ and future programs to Texas/Nevada immediately.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA. Go SpaceX. Godspeed, Bob and Doug.
I think you guys can all imagine what's gonna happen. Like, the rocket boosters are gonna lift the Tesla factory out of the county that's currently in. It's gonna fly to Texas. That's it. It's over. They lost Tesla. He's gone. He'll just establish a new moon colony and start pumping out cars in there. If we even retain Fremont manufacturing activity at all, it will depend on how Tesla is treated in the future. Tesla is the last car maker left in California.
Well, I would love to see their factory just get up and move to Texas and Nevada.
Elon Musk kind of sounds a lot like Megamind, and I'm a little bit scared for my life.
Well, Megamind turned out to be a good guy in the end.
Well, yeah, maybe this might be the sequel. Who knows?
Who is Megamind's like arch nemesis then? Because Megamind isn't Megamind without the guy who's stopping him.
Well, apparently in Megamind 2, his arch nemesis is the Who officials.
There's a Megamind 2. There's not a Megamind 2. Wait. Tesla is restarting production today against. Sorry, so he didn't win. He's breaking the law. I will be on the line with everyone else. If anyone is arrested, I ask that it only be me. Today, May 11th, we learned that the Tesla factory in Fremont had opened beyond minimum basic operations. We have notified Tesla that they can only maintain minimum basic operations until we have an approved plan that can be implemented in accordance with the local public health order. We do not have any further comment and will not be taking any requests for interviews.
Oh.
Cool. Alright, well, next story. Robot lawnmowers. Toby robot mower is part of a master plan for worker robots. Look at that thing. I'm not really sure what to think.
How does it mow the lawn?
Yeah, I was about to say, it seems like it's gonna not take up that much grass.
Well,
Oh wait, unless it just.
It looks like
It
it's
looks
taking
like-
a squat on your lawn. But that thing could still fall in a pothole, get stuck. You know, a lawn robot powered by artificial intelligence. The bots have been mulching grass in Europe for a couple of years and will soon be launching in the United States.
Oh, really?
Oh, whoa, it's awake.
It looks like it's kind of going fast.
I don't know.
I think it's mapping out the lawn.
That makes sense. It's missing a lot of corners though.
I mean, that's what AI does, though. You put a wall in between you and the target. Instead of going around, it might just try and go through it. Whoa.
Whoa.
It is all terrain.
It can just walk outside your property. That's very... That's
What
very
happens
good.
if it gets lost and runs away?
It took so long. And I already made the joke. I'd like, if you're behind an obstacle, like a wall, and the AI is on the other side, it's just gonna go through the wall to get to you. And I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty cool. It just looks really useless. And
Wait. There's if you get the Toby Pro, you can have security elements such as night vision to alert you to strangers in your yard.
because that happens often.
It's gonna run like a raccoon or something and be like, oh, there is an intruder in your yard. Call the police now.
I'm calling 911 for you. Don't worry.
I've taken actions to protect your home, Odie.
We're gonna strap a flamethrower to this lawn mowing robot for security elements.
I don't get it. Like, is mowing the lawn so difficult that you need to pay $3,000 for a toaster on wheels to spit out grass all on your lawn?
I don't think you're gonna get replaced by a grass
Because
clipping robot.
literally anything can screw with this thing. Like, when I was mowing a lawn, I accidentally went over something I wasn't supposed to. But it would be worse with this, because it would go over it once and then not realize it did something wrong, you know?
Yeah.
It would just do it again and again. There's no way to program it to stop making mistakes. I guess there is, but with all the unique terrain, it clearly, like, if it can't even see the bamboo post that got caught in between its eyes. Researchers develop a viable sodium battery.
I'm not much of a salt person. I prefer pepper myself.
So basically, they're making these salt batteries, hoping that they can disrupt the lithium-ion battery market, which is fair because lithium-ion batteries are basically everywhere. They're in everything, and they're actually fairly expensive, and they're also fairly dangerous. So if you can make a battery that's cheaper and less dangerous, less explosive, then, you know.
Can it stand up to the performance that a lithium-ion battery has, though?
We're going towards more of an electric future. These batteries aren't the most sustainable batteries that we could have. But sodium-ion batteries are made from cheap, abundant, and sustainable sodium in the Earth's oceans or crust.
Huh.
I mean, I guess there's probably a lot of salt out there. Unfortunately, they do not hold as much energy as lithium-ion batteries. So that definitely explicitly answers your question, Robbie. They're probably cheaper, but they're not nearly as energy efficient. But in general, because these salt batteries don't have a lot of the controversial elements in them, like cobalt and lithium, things that we have to mine for, and cobalt is relatively expensive and rare, so, you know, yes, these sodium batteries kind of suck, but at the very least, if we think about it, if lithium-ion batteries just delete themselves from existence because they're too expensive or they're too unsustainable, then at least we'll have an alternative that could last us a really long time. But,
I mean, if I made that kind of achievement and it wasn't as recognized, You know,
They
I'd be a
got-
little salty.
They gotta. Alright, next story.
Oh, what the?
You guys wanna watch the video?
Neck.
Tulsa is making a big pitch to Tesla by paying homage to the company's CEO.
That's supposed to be Elon Musk? So confused.
Something's off.
I'd be kind of offended.
Tesla owners of Oklahoma come up with the idea to transform the city's landmark. 70-foot tall golden driller statue into a likeness of Elon Musk. The tribute to Musk is part of the city's bid to convince him to open a new factory there. The statue, which is fifth tallest in the continental US, was built in the 1960s as a tribute to the state's petroleum industry. Its electrifying makeover included replacing its belt buckle with one that says Tesla, adding the automaker's logo to its chest, and painting its face to resemble Musk's.
Yep, that looks exactly like him. They nailed it.
He looks like a really bad video game character.
It
Oh my
does.
god. The problem is Elon Musk's, but
The face shape.
no, they didn't change the face shape. Tesla is currently looking for a location for the second U.S. automotive manufacturing facility to build its Model Y utility vehicle and upcoming Cybertruck pickup.
Fox News.
Alright, let's look at the side-by-side that they provided for us.
You know, the ears aren't that much off.
Really? It could just be the angle, right?
It could be just the
'Cause
angle.
I'm looking and there's actually a lot of similarities now that besides the face shape. But I mean, have we seen Elon Musk from this angle? Well, does anyone have any comments on SpaceX's recent success with launching a rocket and getting some very cool people to the space station safely?
Well,
Elon Musk is going to become a criminal mastermind.
just kudos to them for pulling it off.
They deserve a pat on the back for sure.
Yeah.
They got my thumbs up and a little pat on the back.
And other people would agree, which is why Elon Musk just made $770 million.
He's going to build a Doom laser.
5, 4, 3,
This
2,
is the launch,
1,
guys.
0. Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon.
Okay, so that actually concludes all of the stories today. Well, thank you guys for tuning into this episode. Please remember to just slightly tap the like button and subscribe to this channel if you actually enjoy these episodes, and comment what you liked or what you want to see in future episodes so that I know to keep making them.
Time to sleep.
You must instantly turn off your brain.